Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Do you want to travel to Rajasthan but you never got the chance? Perhaps no time, no money? Don't worry, Sri Perambuttur in Chennai has got Rajasthan culture in the form of Choki Dani, and it is situated as a 15-acre fair, and it is located near this Queensland theme park. So, from the parking lot, this tall man doing a trick of traditional standing on a stick will welcome you inside the main building, and there'll be a lot of welcoming drums happening from a top of a fortress. You'll enter the office where you'll be given this kind of a menu, and you can choose based on your interests. Their working hours is all days 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Be sure to be at 4 p.m. because the time doesn't seem to be enough. And right from the beginning, you will have activities after activities for you to go through the entire 15-acre of the fair. The minute you enter, you will see a beautiful red fort, and Rajasthan is famous for the patang or the kites. They'll even allow you to, fly a kite once. So there is this lake which you cross across this balcony, and you can even go boating here. And there are a series of huts after you cross the lake. Each hut is an activity. Like this first one, they are called as Bopa Bopan. They are the folk singers. You can actually sit with them and even take photographs, and they won't mind. Then we came to a hut where we are grinding grains and making it into a fine powder using this, and then we had this cotton spinning manual machine, and then there were several other huts where we can even make pots out of clay. Once all these huts were over, we entered this Three Falls Lake. I guess this is an artificially created masterpiece. There were two tents where they were doing all traditional Rajasthani dance forms like Ghumar, Kalbeliya, and Bhavai. If you feel up to it, even you can just go up the stage and start dancing along with them. The next great attraction in this fairs, especially for the kids, was all kinds of rides on camels, horses, bullock carts, camel carts. It was actually a fun ride around the fair itself. They also had some set of skill games like this big dong, archery, darts, and some fortune telling by Rajasthani palm readers. It was quite entertaining. There were more fun activities like this maze, just go through one end and then exit through the other end. And there was this beautiful traditional puppet show, wooden puppet show. I think it was there for almost half an hour, and then there was this series of stalls where you can buy authentic Rajasthani souvenirs just as a memory when you go back. By the time we reached the end of the fair, we were totally exhausted. I was famished, and it was only evening 7 p.m. But yes, we really enjoyed this beautiful spread of Rajasthani thali, and it was fantastic. I think this is a perfect place for a evening get out for a family, and it's a totally different world out there. Definitely worth a visit, and this is a beautiful landscape on our way return with all these lights, and we had a great time. We were out by almost 8 o'clock, and we had a fantastic time. So, folks, I hope you enjoyed the travel with me to mini Rajasthan, the Choki Dani. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll come back with more beautiful videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.